everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make a garlic cream easily at home. This homemade garlic cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and it works best in removing your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation as well as hyperpigmentation problem easily at home. This homemade garlic cream will also even out your skin complexion and will make your skin more brighter, tighter and lighter. And its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will make your skin crystal clear and spotless. So to prepare this homemade garlic cream, you firstly gonna need 8 to 10 garlic cloves. And now you have to peel those garlic cloves like so. After peeling the garlic cloves, you have to put them into the mortar and pestle and crush them really nicely. And after crushing it really well, now you have to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer, or you can also use the cheesecloth to take out all the garlic juice. And after straining the crushed garlic cloves really well, your garlic juice is ready and it will look like this. And once your garlic juice is ready, now let's see how to prepare the garlic cream easily at home. And to prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 1 teaspoon garlic juice in a clean bowl. After that, you have to add half a teaspoon rose water in it. After adding the rose water, now it's the time to add the next ingredient, which is vitamin E oil, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil. And after the vitamin E oil, I'm adding 1 teaspoon glycerin in it. And after adding all these ingredients, now just give a good mix to all of them so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth mixture. And after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel in it. And I'm using the Chaudhary aloe vera gel from Patanjali, but you can use any aloe vera gel which you have. And after adding the aloe vera gel, you just need to mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade dark spot and pigmentation removal garlic cream is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be as creamy and smooth as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me show you how to store this 100% effective and natural garlic cream. And to store this cream, you're going to need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 10 to 15 days. This homemade garlic cream is 100% natural and is also 100% effective in making your skin spotless and crystal clear because it contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which treats your problematic skin. This garlic cream completely removes your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation problem easily at home within few days. And it also treats sunburn, suntan, black spots and dry and flaky skin. It also prevents all signs of anti-aging like wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin and dull skin, and makes your skin even toned, fair, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day for at least 15 to 20 days to get fair, glowing, radiant and highly moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.